In this video, I'll show you how to fix Netflix error code M7701-1003. This issue is often caused by browser settings, extensions, or corrupted browsing data that prevent Netflix from playing protected content properly. To get started, open your browser and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, go to the Extensions section and check if you have any browser extensions enabled. Certain extensions, especially content blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Netflix. Disable any unnecessary extensions or remove them completely, then try Netflix again. If the problem persists, return to the Settings menu and select Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find Clear Browsing Data and choose what to clear. Make sure browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files are selected. Set the time range to all time and then click Clear Now. After clearing the data, restart your browser and sign back into Netflix. In many cases, this refreshes the browser and resolves the M7701-1003 error. If you're still experiencing the issue, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version and that protected content playback is enabled in your browser settings. That's all for this tutorial. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.